Hi, I'm Dave at Automation Devices, and here's another video. We thought we'd go through a tech tip to try to help you out. One of the circumstances that might exist is you have a feeder bowl. It could be a small one, it could be a big one, but the tooling features are very delicate, and you're trying to get your parts to go across them very nicely, and it seems like when you turn the knob up, even just a little tiny bit, you're instantly well above where you can use this at. So let me show you what I'm specifically talking about. If you can take a look right here, you can see we have a very, very tiny part, and it's trying to go across this rail and get across here. Now I'll turn the controller on, and when I barely turn this on, you can see it's running way harder than it needs to. I can't keep any good parts on here, but I've barely done anything with the knob. So I have so little functionality. What I want to do is try to show you how to improve that. So let's shut this off, and then let's open up this controller. And what's inside is a max trim pot. And what we'll show you is how to adjust it, or at least what we would suggest. If you take a look inside here right now, you can see where this one here says max. That's the one that we're going to focus on right now. So what I'd like to do is I'm going to turn the max trim pot all the way down as far backwards as it'll go. And I'm going to turn this on, and I'm going to turn the controller up to 10. So I'm going to turn it up to the maximum. Now if you take a look over here, we're barely moving. And that's what I wanted at first. So now what I can do is by adjusting this right here, I'm going to turn it up slowly until my feeder is probably running just a little bit faster than it needs to. Okay? Now let me shut this off and put this back together here, and we can show you exactly what we've done now. So let's turn this back to 0. We'll turn the feeder on, and then as I very slowly turn this up, you can see I've got lots of play in the knob. So I've got a lot of control to where I can run this incredibly slow. I can turn it up a little faster if I want a little bit more, because sometimes just how delicate that part is requires a little bit more than what you would have had on the previous control. So this way, I'm giving you that control back by being able to go into here and manipulate a feature that already exists. So anyway, we just wanted to show you how to go in and do that, and it might help you out on your next job.